Of course, it started with a vision, a dream. What about if we could make a training facility for the installation of AGLs and have it a bit real size? I want to showcase all these solutions we have for outside pavements as POSSEHL Spezialbau. Solutions which will bring you more profit or more safety or save on the environment. Secondly, to give trainings.
Wir haben hier in diesem Innovation Center wirklich alle Leistungen, die wir im Flughafenbereich ausführen. POSSEHL Pave Protect, wir haben unser POSSEHL ASCO, Einbau von Unterflurfeuern, Permanent Markings bei POSSEHL und natürlich unser Premium-Produkt POSSEHL Flight Safe, was absolute Sicherheit und Nachhaltigkeit für alle Flughäfen bringt.
POSSEHL and ADB Savit have the same DNA. They are highly specialized in what they do and they have a deep desire to innovate. So they are an infrastructure provider. We are a high-tech solution provider. So we need to work together to install our equipment in the best possible way at our airport's infrastructure. Airports are challenging environments to operate, so people need to be trained before they go on site, and this small runway is just a perfect setting to get our people trained. It is our own people, it is our customers, it is our partners who come here to learn how you put in service our lighting infrastructure, how you maintain it safely, and also we use it at the same time, and this is an interesting addition to this, a breeding ground for innovation.
I would be honored to host you here as a trainee for installation and maintenance and troubleshooting for AGLs and find out more about our fantastic products. You can just send us an email or apply at the ADB SafeGate Academy.